Hello everyone, this is IGNIS FELES, my submission for the Cypherpunk Colosseum hackathon. It's an arcade blockchain-based video game, which I'll talk about right now. So, what's IGNIS FELES? Basically, it's a fast-paced 2D top-down roguelike shooter where the main purpose is for you to survive. You have to kill as many enemies as you can. You can grab as many upgrades as possible, get stronger, and get more score, and then you can just compete with players worldwide. That's what the game's all about. If I were to tell you a bit about the core gameplay, you can see that there is a black circle here. That's the limited FOV, which gradually increases as you gain more score. Uh, Moreover, if you shoot too much, you might overheat. You have to stop shooting for a while. There are multiple types of enemies. There are multiple types of power-ups also, like multi-shot, speed boost, and coin vacuums. For the Solana integration, each player will have a specific score account, which will store the maximum score that they have once the game ends. And then, based on those score accounts, the leaderboard is aggregated. And basically, you can have a global leaderboard. You can see how well you're doing against other players. Other than that, I use the Magic Block SDK for seamless integration with Unity. It was pretty easy and good. Gemini helped out a lot here. Uh, Now, for the future perspectives, we can actually make the players buy a specific native game token, which they can, a certain amount of tokens can be used to play the game. And then once they play the game, we can have a weekly leaderboard. And based on the weekly leaderboard, we can redistribute the tokens to the top players. They can either cash out or still stay in the game to get more profits. And we can also cut a small protocol fee for the operational purposes. For the technical perspective, we can store the game state in a JSON in regular intervals so that we can have better fairness and better security there. Other than that, we can also have a bigger leaderboard account on the chain. Currently, that's on Web2. Yeah, so I'll play the game now. So first, I'll just connect to my wallet. I'll use my Phantom wallet and see that it's connected. If I click again, then this guy already is connected. There's a how to play. You can read that. Now when I play the game, so I just spawn at a random location. I can shoot fireballs. I know that that's a golem. Yeah, it just stomps me out of. Yeah, if you go too close, it stomps you. So this is the basic game. You can play it and then you can see. I'll just die for now so that you can see the score submission mechanism. Yeah, so as you can see, it's saving score here, and I have to approve a transaction, and that transaction, once I approve, the score is saved, and by then it will load a leaderboard for me. And I already had the top score earlier, so it didn't update. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks.